I choose scenario 3. You drove your 15-year-old daughter off at the church on Tuesday nights for mutual every week. However, her leader calls to say that they have missed her at the last 3 activities. When you confront her about it, she says she's been there. But later that evening, she admits that her 16-year-old boyfriend picks her up in the back parking lot, and they go driving around for an hour or so until it's time to go home. Hear my dialogue. You should not have left your mutual for several weeks without your parents' permission. Drive to an unknown destination is a danger in these times. Identification. Now, it is difficult for me to trust you when you go to an activity. It could have happened to you something bad and we without knowing it. Impact. If you want to see your boyfriend, make it another day of your mutual. You can invite him to come home and watch movies. Alternative. In the following weeks, you will go to the activities with your dad, and you will go back with him. You will not go out with your boyfriend until he apologizes for taking you out of your mutual. Punishment. I hope that this experience will help you to be responsible with your mutual activities, and above all, to always tell the truth to your parents' expectation.